Practicality is one of the key things that we as HikVision advocate for. What do I mean by that? Look at this access control. I'm just going to explain this demo board. Don't mind the installation height because practically it's supposed to be somewhere standard where a shorter person or a tall person can still feel accounted for. So for the demo board, it's slightly higher, but we are advocating for practicality and I'm going to explain. So here I have the MinMoe technology, that is the HikVision face recognition technology used in access control. And what is access control? Traditionally, someone would put a lock, a padlock, maybe even tie, put something to lock the door. But we introduce technology to curb that so that you don't have to forget your key. Let's say you're using face recognition, you'll never forget your face, right? Because these terminals will remember it. Now, MinMoe technology, I have here 4 terminals. And just I want to show you the functionality. You will deploy access control and still get more capacity. Let's say like this 342 series. It has a 4.3-inch touchscreen with 1,500 faces. That's quite a huge number. PoE powered and IP65. When I talk about PoE, I talk about this. You see, this is a PoE switch. It has powered these terminals apart from this one because this one requires a slightly special power, and I'll explain. When you deploy this, there is the 673 series, 10-inch touchscreen, 10,000 faces, alcohol detection module. What do I mean by alcohol detection? Look at this. I cannot authenticate even if I stand here, but the moment I blow into this module, it will now give me permission to authenticate. Just see. Please continue to authenticate. Now I can authenticate because it has detected that I'm not drunk. So for workspaces where you need to do alcohol detection, that is your solution. You just deploy this, and before anyone checks in, they have to blow into the module, and then now you allow them to authenticate, maybe by PIN, by QR code and all that. Then we have this, the 344M series, 3000 faces, 4.5-inch touchscreen. Then IP65. IP65 meaning they can be deployed in, outside. You know, the protection level of water and dust. Then we have this new series. Look at how fancy it is. You'll note that it has a dedicated call button. And why we introduced this call button is because we want it to also give you the intercom functionality. This one can give you that functionality. This one can give you that functionality. But we just dedicate this. We don't put so many things. We make it minimalist so that this is the 323, the E1 series. 1,000 faces, 2.4-inch. I'm sure the price is quite good. Then when someone gets to the door, they press, you'll see who is at the door. You'll be able to talk to them. You'll be able to unlock for them. You'll be able to, when I mean unlock, I mean this magnetic lock or any other lock. We have the sliding gate. We have the maybe the arm gate. All types of locks. We can connect to this intercom. Stroke access control, and it will give you that technology. Then we have the no touch exit button. Mainly if you're inside and need to leave your premise, you don't need to authenticate leaving, so you just use the button. But again, if you need to set rules to authenticate when exiting, you can deploy one terminal outside, another terminal inside. Access control is made practical, more practical based on your use case. Look at this. We have HikCentral access control as the software that will help you to manage this solution in a centralized manner and a more convenient and efficient. When you have more terminals, we'll also give you a premium version of this software, which HikCentral Professional as the software. Then we can give even cloud attendance, remote attendance, all the access and attendance functions based on the different. Let's discuss your solution. Let's package your solution as per your requirement. I think you are the client. Make sure you get the MinMoe. Make sure you get practicality. Make sure you get efficient access and attendance and all the solutions powered by HikVision. Thank you.